What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Vivo V29 Lite 5G and the Oppo Reno 10 5G smartphones to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs, overall performance, and in terms of benchmarking test score results. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with Antutu benchmarking. So Oppo Reno 10 5G scored 459,824 and Vivo V29 Lite 5G scored 409,381. So as you can see, the winner is Oppo Reno 10 5G. If you go to the individual test score results, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and in all of these four, performance of Reno 10 5G is better compared to V29 Lite 5G. The difference is not much when it comes to CPU and UX, but in GPU and memory the difference is huge, and because of that the winner is Oppo Reno 10 5G here. If you go back from here, let's have a look on the next test, and that's 3D Mark. It's a GPU benchmarking test. So it basically gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So this test is divided in multiple different tests. So first of all, let's start with Slingshot. So Vivo V29 Lite 5G scored 4,181 and Oppo Reno 10 5G scored 5,151. So the winner is Reno 10 5G, and as you can see here, even in terms of FPS, performance of Reno 10 5G is better. If we go to the Slingshot Extreme, here you can see that Oppo Reno 10 5G scored 4,081 and Vivo V29 Lite scored 2,982. So once again the winner is Reno 10 5G. Now if we have a look on wildlife, then Reno 10 5G scored 2,266 and V29 Lite scored 1,205. So once again performance of Reno 10 5G is better, and if we go to the wildlife extreme, then Reno 10 5G scored 634 and Vivo V29 Lite scored 362. So in all of these four tests, Slingshot, Slingshot Extreme, Wildlife Extreme, performance of Reno 10 5G is better compared to Vivo V29 Lite 5G. So now let's have a look at the last test for today, and that's Geekbench 5. So Reno 10 5G scored 750 in single core and 2,263 in multi-core, while Vivo V29 Lite 5G scored 671 in single core and 2011 in multi-core. So once again the winner is Reno 10 5G, though the difference is not so much. If you go back from here to the compute test result, in this, Reno 10 5G scored 2,693 and V29 Lite scored 1,398. So once again, performance of Reno 10 5G is better. So in all of these three tests, Antutu Benchmark, Geekbench 5 and the 3D Mark, performance of Reno 10 5G is better compared to V29 Lite 5G. But both of these are great devices with their own pros and cons in different aspects. A detailed comparison video of Reno 10 5G and V29 Lite 5G is going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.